At half of the press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good morning to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I hope you guys are doing great. Well, in the morning here, agents from the major organized crime and anti-corruption agency, which them call MOCA, with support from the counter-terrorism and organized crime branch CTOC and other units of the Jamaica Constabulary Force JCF, are currently involved in a series of simultaneous and coordinated operations across Kingston and St. Andrew in connection with an organized fraud scheme targeting Sagicor Group Jamaica Limited. My wisdom warriors, MOCA arrests 4 in Sagicor fraud scheme. Una hear wagwan from what I go on? Una hear wagwan from what I go on? These people never put in place to protect with money. Jesus, a pure fraud I go on, pure thiefness. Pure thiefness I go on, my wisdom warriors. And then you have Andrew Honest come out and talk about digital. Hey. Then Andrew Honest come out and talk about digital. At that time, money go missing. That's why I tell you, say, you take your money out of the account. Jamaica people, move your money, remove your money from your bank account. Because when your money gone missing, Andrew no care. Let me tell you now, the Bank of Jamaica done business. Because the last time me check, when the customer them money gone missing, they no get back a dime. God bless the very few we get back their money, but a whole heap of people never get back no money, my wisdom warriors. Let me tell you now. And it was PNP in a parliament calling Bank of Jamaica and them come and have a meeting. And them a tell Bank of Jamaica say the customer them need their money, they need to put something in place. So when money gone missing, the people then can get back their money. And Bank of Jamaica no look left, no look right, and Andrew Honest, none of the Jamaica Labour Party minister no come out and say nothing about it. Jamaican people fi watch parliament, and know what go on, and understand what is going on, The same very prime minister where Labour right talk about care about the Jamaican people. When money gone missing, they no come out and say nothing about it. They not even put nothing in place. So when money gone missing, can't get it back. A PNP a try with them, with the Jamaica Labour Party, if do something. Them a tell them to do something, but they don't care. And just sit back and relax. But understand, feel comfortable so with food and money in. Trust Jamaica government so. But me know how stay Jamaican people. Wait till something happen to first. Hey, no use sleep on mat that no use sleep on mat that. Wait till it happen to first, and then will learn. So all when it happen to still not learn. Somehow Jesus mercy. God no. It's terrible. A whole heap of thief in these bank. Whole heap of thief, and then ready eye. And then bad mind, and then grudgeful. The work of them mere chat. We working at all these banks. Yeah, then ready eye and then bad mind. And when they look on people account, we have millions of dollars in there and thousands of dollars. They ain't catch bad mind. Because they don't have a dining for them account. You understand me? And they make up with them friend and rob and thief the people them money. The whole I don't figure out prison. I don't figure out prison. So I like how MOCA work, Me like how MOCA work. I want MOCA to come down upon Dalrymple, Andrew Wellness, and the whole 8 thief. I want MOCA to come down upon Uno. Seriously, Uno need to come down now. Uno little bit and too much in a parliament. Al Andrew Wellness, I don't understand why him still a handle with financial affairs. Why? Why? And why? Me no know. Seriously. Jamaican people, Uno a joke. Uno probably sit down and say, me no business because it not affect me weight. Wait to not go learn the hard way. Just wait 1 minute more. That's why I encourage you, to get up and stand up for one another. Stand up for no rights. Don't say you affect you. Don't say that. That is selfishness. Don't say that to not be selfish. Because guess what? It go happen to uno one day. And una go like for so neighbor stand up for uno. But you never stand up for the neighbor now go come stand up for uno. So uno fi stop it. Uno fi look out for uno one another. Have each other back. Come on, Jamaica. This is what we have to do. The police wasn't put in place, to protect we, I want to know that, you can go back go read it. Only can go back help and Google it there. And I'm not hide. The police wasn't put in place to protect the people. The police was put in place to protect the government. You understand me? This is why we if you work together as one. You get me? Boy, me I tell you now. Then if you lock up the whole of them, the whole of the work of them we are thief because a long time them are thief. A long time people money are go missing, and nothing no come out there. Nothing no come out there. I see PNP stand up in a parliament and I plead with them for help. No help. No help. So, we don't have to know. We don't go on like say a PNP money are missing. And Labour right and PNP and the Jamaican people money are go missing. But we don't have to know still. But anyway, my wisdom warriors, hear this. The NHT and HAJ must revert to their original mandate, providing affordable housing for Jamaicans. Over the past 6 years, these institutions have strayed from their mission, and instead of reducing costs, they've been pushing housing further out of reach for many Jamaicans. Listen. You see, Andrew Owners only cater for the rich. I mean, I know how comes on the nasty that Jamaica. Andrew Owners only cater for the rich. You know, cater for the poor. Everything we see, I do. All I hear me talk about electricity, reduce, and rich people alone a benefit from it. No, not the poor people. You never know that. For a change, let's bring affordable housing back to the forefront. My wisdom warriors, let's hear what Floyd Morris have to say. Taking this.
And again, Mr. President, I want to make reference to the lots that were sold in the development above Pines of Karachi and nestled between Long Mountain and Beverly Hills. A development where the lands were owned by the HAJ. And Mr. President, those lots were sold for between $25 and $30 million. Just the lot alone. You don't start talk about the construction of the house. And Mr. President, I find it very ironic that the housing portfolio falls under the responsibility of no other than the Prime Minister. So the Prime Minister, who is responsible for HAJ and is designated by law as corporation sole, would have known about the sale of these lots for $25 million to citizens. And now, lots alone. Lots alone. And now I heard the Prime Minister, because I listen to him, and I read things that he says. I heard the Prime Minister yesterday speaking at a function for NHT and saying that the NHT is now going to focus on affordable housing over the next couple of years. The question is, who or why was the focus on the higher end of the housing market over the past 8 years by this government? And Mr. President, as I read the report, my memory dates back to, I think it was 2022 or somewhere thereabout. In another development pastures that involved the then president of the National Water Commission, Mr. Mark Barnett, and the community's Charlie Mountain pastures. And a similar situation existed where more rooms were built than that which was approved. And it's a similar situation here. And I want to say, Mr. President, that Mr. Barnett was required to resign from his job. And this report about Estate Bridge has been tabled in the Parliament from Tuesday of this week. And I want to say, up to this point, I have not heard anybody talking about or calling for the resignation of the chairman of UDC and HAJ, which is involved in this breach. And it is a clear hypocrisy and double standard. And I want to take this opportunity, Mr. President, to say to the chairman of the UDC and the HAJ that he must resign immediately, just like what was required by Mark Barnett, the president of the National Water Commission.
So my wisdom warriors, that is Floyd Morris. Yeah? That is Floyd Morris. You see, them people are not care. And we have to blame Andrew Holness. Andrew Holness make all these people feel like them not to resign. You know why? All of these things is in the Prime Minister portfolio. The HAJ, the NHT, the Landis, the Housing Trust, every blasted thing. Every blasted thing. Andrew Wallace, you know, so you have to step down because you are the problem in Jamaica. You know that, though? You have to step down, brother. The HAJ chairman, who allow you to resign. What you now wait for? What are you guys waiting for? You know why? You know what? I show the people they now come together. Show the people they now rise up. So you feel like you can do as you like and do as you please. You is a shameless set of creature. You is a shameless set of creature. You don't have nothing good about you. There's no good governance. There is no good governance in the Jamaica Labour Party. None whatsoever. And when I hear Tom Tavares come out and talking about IC, Tom Tavares, you're focusing on the wrong thing, brother. Una is a set of idiot. Una make Andrew Holness have una spin, una like a gig, una fool, una minister, una idiot. And where Andrew Holness have over una, brother? How no afraid of Andrew Holness, sir? And me Jamaican people, how if you have one man a run with black like that? One number man a run off Jamaica. This man have housing trust, land agency, everything in a firm office. Jamaican people wake up. I may talk to labor right now. Wake up. Because you not think too much about party, brother. You need to wake up. You want next one. You understand? You make Andrew Holness feel like what I do is right. Look into yourself, brother. You understand me? A peer figure Andrew Holness to keep up. How can you, your prime minister, you have the whole of this sport? Anything we do with money and land in a fear office. Why? You don't know why Jamaica? I tell you all the time. Andrew Holness is the biggest investor in a Jamaica. I might get the whole of the contract them. The whole of the contract them are Andrew Holness are getting. Under style. And I give contract to different company under style. But really and truly, I him I get it. You can't stay there. You can't stay there. Andrew Holness is the mastermind. Andrew Holness is the mastermind behind criminality. You don't even know. Jesus mercy. This man is dangerous for Jamaica, you know. He's really dangerous. And Mark Golden and the PNP alone cannot do it. We all have to come together as one. Mark Golding and in PNP team alone cannot do it. We need to come together and say enough is enough. We're not going to wait till it's too late. Jesus, Jamaican people, you have to understand this labor right. So, you know, all right with Andrew Wellness having land agency and everything. It come like, you know, see what I go on. Make Andrew Wellness a trick, you know. But infrastructure. Amount of infrastructure where Andrew Wellness claims that him below. Yeah? Amount of infrastructure. Check how much of them in use. Andrew Wellness is a builder. That's why you hear him talk about building. He's building because him again, him and his family. Not us, we not again nothing. And when he build these places, these institutions, poor people can't go there, so poor people can't even afford nothing. Like, come on. This is absurd. Seriously, everything that is happening is absurd. And Andrew Wellness is getting away with it over and over and over. And we, the Jamaican people, just sit down and do nothing. We make one man. How much of them in the Jamaica Labour Party? 69 or 68, I don't even know. How much of them in the Jamaica Labour Party are one man? And look how much are we in a Jamaica. Come on, Jamaica. We need to rise up. We need to go out and ask for Andrew Wellness resignation. He need to go. And the chairman them need to go. You need to go. You can't do stuff like that and feel it's okay. You can't do things like that and feel it's okay. You all need to go to prison. Seriously. You wicked. Wicked to the Jamaican people. My wisdom warriors, tell me what you think. Put an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome.